Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal shampoo for dogs. This natural solution offers many benefits for your furry friend. Oatmeal is known for its soothing properties, which can help alleviate dry, itchy skin and reduce irritation. It also works as a natural moisturizer, leaving your dog's coat soft and shiny. Plus, making it yourself ensures there are no harsh chemicals, providing a gentle and safe bathing experience for your pet. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain, unflavored oatmeal, which is the star ingredient for soothing skin. Next, prepare 1/2 cup of baking soda. This acts as a natural cleanser and deodorizer. Finally, have 1 cup of warm water on hand to help blend everything together smoothly. These common household items are all you need to create a gentle and effective shampoo for your dog. Now, let's mix up your dog's new shampoo. First, take 1 cup of plain oatmeal and grind it into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. This ensures a smooth consistency. Next, in a bowl, combine the oatmeal powder with 1/2 cup of baking soda. Finally, slowly add 1 cup of warm water, stirring continuously until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Your homemade oatmeal shampoo is now ready to use. To use your homemade shampoo, first wet your dog's coat thoroughly with warm water. Then, apply the oatmeal mixture, gently massaging it into their fur, being careful to avoid their eyes. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the soothing properties to work. Also, be sure to check the description below for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Finally, rinse your dog's coat thoroughly with warm water until all shampoo residue is gone. Your dog will feel refreshed and their skin will be soothed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.